5 affordable marketing strategies. Leverage email marketing. Utilize social media. Optimize your website. Partner with influencers. Host events. Let's go over each one of them. Starting and growing a small business can be a challenging task, especially when it comes to marketing. With limited resources and a tight budget, you as a small business owner need to be smart and strategic in promoting your brand. The good news is there are a variety of affordable marketing strategies that can help you reach and engage with your target audience, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. This video will discuss 5 strategies that small businesses can implement to maximize their marketing efforts without breaking the bank. Leverage email marketing. Email marketing can be a cost-effective way to reach and engage with existing and potential customers. By collecting email addresses through signups on your website or in-store, you can send targeted campaigns to specific audience segments. Utilize social media. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn are excellent ways to connect with potential customers. Creating a business page and regularly posting updates can increase brand awareness and engage your target audience. Additionally, social media advertising can be highly targeted and cost-effective. Partner with influencers. Influencer marketing involves partnering with individuals or companies with a significant social media following to promote your brand. This can be an effective way to reach a large audience and increase brand awareness. Optimize your website. Your website is often the first impression potential customers have of your business, so it's essential to ensure it's optimized for search engines. You can increase your website's visibility in search engine results pages by using relevant keywords and phrases. Additionally, incorporating clear calls to action and easy-to-use forms can increase conversions. Host events. Hosting networking events, open houses, and product demos can be great for connecting with potential customers and generating buzz around your business. Additionally, these events can provide valuable opportunities for networking and building relationships with other businesses in your community. To sum up, small businesses can spend a little money to market their products or services effectively. You can increase brand awareness and affordably reach new customers by utilizing social media, email marketing, website optimization, influencer marketing, and hosting events. These strategies are proven effective in driving sales and growing a business. Remember to stay consistent, track your results, and adjust your approach as needed. With the right marketing strategies, small businesses can compete with larger companies and succeed in today's competitive market. If you're a small business owner looking to improve your marketing efforts, we're here to help. Our team of experts specializes in developing and implementing effective marketing strategies for small businesses. Please contact us today to schedule a free consultation and learn more about how we can help your small business grow.